Do you want juicy, easy to shred pulled chicken? Watch this. Today we're making incredibly juicy smoked pulled chicken. Easy, smoky, and perfect for sandwiches, tacos, burritos, and more. Here's everything we're using today. Simple ingredients that produce big barbecue flavor. Today we're using some anything seasoning followed up with a barbecue rub. You want to coat every side with a generous layer. Don't be afraid to build that flavor. Today we'll be using our pellet grill. We'll be smoking at 250 degrees. We want to build a great outside crust and keep that inside nice, juicy, and tender. Okay, it's time for the smoker. We're going to start developing that great color and take on that smoky flavor. Okay, once that color looks great, which is usually somewhere between 165 and 170 degrees, I don't really pay attention to that temperature. You're going to want to transfer the chicken to aluminum pan, or in this case, I'm using a Dutch oven. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of chicken broth. Then we'll cover it and let it finish until it's probe tender. That is usually in the neighborhood of 185 to 190 degrees. Most important thing is the probe tenderness. This went back onto the smoker for about another 40-45 minutes. Once it hit an internal temp of 190 degrees, we went ahead and pulled it off the smoker. After a short rest of about 10 minutes, we removed the lid. Ooh, look at that steam. When it pulls apart this easily, you know it's ready. Look at the way it shreds and look at how nice and juicy it is. That looks so good. You could eat this just like it is, but we like to add just a little bit of barbecue sauce, just enough to coat the meat while letting that smoky flavor shine. I can't wait any longer. It's time to build me a sandwich. I'm going to get a couple of big scoops of this chicken here and pile it on and see how she tastes. This smoked pulled chicken is juicy, smoky, and packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you.